Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get redeem code for Testflight updated. How to get a redeem code for Testflight. Now Testflight, beta testing on the fly. What is Testflight? Testflight is a platform developed by Apple. Testflight is a platform developed by Apple that allows developers to distribute beta versions of their iOS apps to a limited group of testers before official release. This allows developers to gather valuable feedback from real users and identify and fix bugs before the app is made available to the general public on the App Store. So what is a redeem code? A redeem code is a unique alphanumeric code provided by a developer to specific testers. This code grants you access to the beta version of their app through the Testflight app on your iOS device. Now, how can we get a redeem code for Testflight? 1. Through developer invitation. The most common way is to receive an invitation from the app developer. This usually comes through email or another communication channel. The second way to get a redeem code for Testflight is through public beta tests. Some developers may conduct public beta tests and offer redeem codes to a wider audience. You might find these opportunities through forums, social media groups, or the developer's website. And the third way you can get a redeem code for Testflight is through the App Store Connect. If you are an iOS developer yourself, you can generate redeem codes for your own apps within the App Store Connect portal. Key points. Redeem codes are specific to a particular app and tester. Once redeemed, you can download and install the beta version of the app on your iOS device. Testflight allows you to provide feedback to the developer directly within the app, helping them improve the final product. Note please, the availability of redeem codes and the process of obtaining them can vary depending on the specific app and developer. I hope this explanation helps. Let me know in the comment section. Hope you found this video helpful on how to get redeem code for Testflight. Hope you found this video helpful on how to get redeem codes for Testflight. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.